What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to disable background apps on your Windows 11 PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Reasons you should limit the amount of background apps on your Windows 11 PC include battery saving life, improving your overall performance, and preventing apps from accessing your data in the background. To disable your background apps, open up your Windows 11 settings by searching for Settings in your Start menu search. Navigate to the Apps section and select Apps and Features. A list of installed apps will appear. Search for the app you want to disable background activity for. Once you've found the app, click on the burger menu icon to the right of its name. Next, click on Advanced Options. This will open the Advanced Options settings page for the app. On this page, under Background Apps Permissions, select Never from the Let this app run in the background drop-down menu. This will disable background activity for the app. Once you've disabled background activity for all the apps that you want, you can close the Settings app. Here are some things to remember when disabling background apps. Some apps may not work correctly if you disable background activity for them. If you disable background activity for an app you use frequently, you may have to open it more often to keep it up to date. You can also manage the apps that automatically start on system boot in your Windows Task Manager. In the Startup section, disable apps you don't want to launch when starting your PC. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.